Hello, you guys. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So I heard a lot of people say some good thing about this scanner, and today we're gonna test it out and see if it's worth all the hype. So this is the BlueDriver, and let me open it up and see what's inside. So BlueDriver tool costs about $113. I got it from Amazon. So today we're gonna do a preview review, see how good this is, okay? So when you open the box, you got some instruction manual right here, instruction, and then you got a little sticker, and then you got the OBD adapter right here. So it's a Bluetooth adapter, and that's it. That's all you get. So I'll go ahead and plug it into my car, and we're gonna go from there. Let's go ahead and plug this in. So plug it in. Okay, I'm gonna plug it into the OBD port. So let me see, mine is down here. Give me a second. So it's plugged in. You can see there is a blue light showing up. So that means it's already plugged in. Okay, I'm gonna get in my car. Let's do this. So the next thing you want to do is go to your app store or your Apple device. Okay, go there and then search for BlueDriver. Okay, and this is the app you should download for that. So I'll go ahead. I already installed it in. It's right here, and go ahead and see how it works. Okay, first I have to turn on my car. Give me a second here. Turn it on. So what you do is you turn it on. So you click on the app. Should show up. And then it said no device repair. Go ahead and scan this. Go OK. Yes. Select. Okay, now pair. So what you're supposed to do is you turn off your vehicle, turn it on, then you plug in your OBD adapter, and then you turn on this app, and then it should able to detect it and try to connect it right now. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to connect. me see the live data. So it doesn't even connect yet. I'm not sure why. Yeah, this is getting kind of frustrated. You know why? I don't know why it's so hard to take them to connect this thing here. Okay, you got this BlueDriver here. When I click on it, it wouldn't let you connect it. And when you turn on the app, not now, trying to connect to the sensor. So I got the other phone trying to connect it. It doesn't work. So let me try this one and see if it work or not. Not now. Allow. Let me try this again. Scan. BlueDriver. Select. Pair. Okay, finally it's connect. So I have to use another phone to get this connect. I do not know why. But anyway, we finally got it to work. So what the next thing is, I want to recode from this. Let's try so they have recode, clear code, save report, freeze frame, checks, smog check, mode 6, meal status, Vico info, and service. Basically, the service one I think is only like they give you a pro tip how to reset stuff. Let's click on it. As you can see, it's right here. Yeah, so basically they just give you a tip how to reset your oil and reset your TPMS. That's the only. It's not really a service. It just give you more info. So since I connected already, I'll go ahead and recode, and then all system module. They give you option check, common dash light on all system module. I'll go all system and see how long is scanning this my vehicle right here. Again, this is a Toyota Sienna. Let me see how long it's scanned. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I'm just getting really kind of frustrated about that. Connecting, just having problem connecting to the Bluetooth adapter. 74. You know what? We're just gonna come back until this is done, okay? So give me a second. So here we go. After maybe 3 minutes of scanning, and I get to this point right here. So I don't need to put in my odometer. It'll continue. So I got one code, 1604. You know, I know that code. I've been there all this time. That's the only code they got. They're trying to clear that code. If it's not possible, clear. Yes. Clear. Now everything is nice looking. Nothing else. So let me see. It's nothing. Warning this action. Okay. So that's it. That's all you got. Go back. Okay, now let's try do the Vico info. You got all this Vico info right here. It knows it's a 2012, which is this is right. What's this? Okay. Check your distance. Okay, meal status. Okay, there's nothing here. Let's go to live data. Select one, continue, all. Okay. So this is only support this supported. So you have to select which one you want. Active, support. So you select from the list. All. Okay. Then you go back. Please select one or more by tapping on the icon above. Okay, so I select this. You select view, short trim. Then you go back and then it show you what it is. So basically you have to go here and then you have to select which one you want. Click on the one that's supported. Okay, they only give you about five only. Then you go back, it show you five. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So they show you exactly what it is right there. Okay. So that's your live data. You just pick 5 of them. More. So you got update sensor, you got order sensor, you got the manual, you got setup, setting, which is to give you all this. And you go back, go to live again. You select, I guess you select, what's this? Oh, okay, I got it. So basically they're gonna give you a graph right here that you can see the graph moving. If it's, let's say I turn on the engine right now and you should see the graph moving. I think, there you go. So basically they have whatever you selected and then they have a little graph in there. So as you can see right now. So I guess that's how it works. So that's how it works. And then when you click on more, you got all this support stuff that basically just help you connect to the internet to find whatever information. So you got all this. Let's go to smoke check. Okay. Pro tip. Okay. Smoke check. Okay. Tap this one. Go scan. Issue maybe. Oh. Okay. Okay. That's nothing. So you just need to wait because they cannot test it until you wait until the engine is warm up. So that's it. What's mode 6? Oxygen sensor, bang 1. Okay. So I got it now. So mode 6 basically is all about the sensor. So basically that's it. It's not really much to do, and that's all it is. So basically from let me turn this off. Let me turn my car off. So that's it. That's the whole thing. So if you plan to buy this, I'm not sure I will recommend it. It costs $113. The good thing about this is it's Bluetooth, so I guess you can carry this around, and then. But would I recommend this? I probably said no. I don't know why with all this hype. This thing is it's just a basic scan tool. So reading code, that's it. There's nothing else. Live data, you don't. They only show you five live data point at one time. So that's not good enough. There's no bidirectional here. Um, the app look like it's a nice organizing app, but the way it's trying to connect to the Bluetooth, I have to use the second phone to get it. And basically just a simple basic scan tool that reading code and clearing code, but I'm not sure if you have all the they call the hardcore code. I'm not sure this can clear it or not, but I guess this can clear the basic code. um they really don't give you a lot of stuff to 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 justify the $113. So I don't know why it's all the hype. But for me, this is just the simple scan tool that and it's to me it's pretty slow. So this is just exactly like the one. Oh, so they're trying to make it fancy, but I don't think it's fancy at all. So I would compare that to this basic scan tool that you can get it for $30, like this one right here, like this one right here, like this one right here. So this one is just the basic one, which is I get it for free when I bought the expensive uh, scanner, the $300 or $400 scanner. So I got this for free. So basically, this thing, all the function they did exactly like the BlueDriver, and this thing is probably what, $35. Sometimes you can get it on sale for 25. So I'm not sure I would recommend the BlueDriver at all. And trust me, I have a lot of scanner, and this thing is super slow. I would definitely not recommend them pay that price. If this thing go down maybe about $40, and then maybe I'll get it. But other than that, this is way overpriced, and I would not recommend getting this. And trust me, I have a lot of scanner. Okay, so I think I know what I'm doing. Look at this. Look how many scanner I got. I got a lot. So there you go. There's my review for the BlueDriver. It said right here, BlueDriver Pro Scan Tool. Okay, that I pay $113. That's not including tax and everything else. Yeah. Fear no fix. Yeah, nah. You don't do anything to fix it. So there you go. So there you go. That's my review for the BlueDriver scanner. All right, that's it, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.